Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my name is Kusuma Surwaji from Bina Sarana Informatika College, and today we're gonna talking about navigating U.S.-China trade relation, addressing tariff conquers together. Change study number 3, special staff to the U.S. Ministry of Trade. Content we're gonna talking about the 3 point. First is U.S. tariff policy relation, and number 2 economic impact assessment, and number 3 negotiating path forward. Talk about U.S. tariff policy rational. Sorry about the accent. Sorry about the accent. Okay, first. National security concurs. Supply chains for supply chain supply chains vulnerabilities, including the dependency on Chinese manufacturing for critical components, helps mitigate risks of supply disruption during international tensions or conflicts. Critical technology safeguards tariff help prevent unauthorized access to sensitive technology that could compromise national security or be abused for military application. Intellectual property protection concurs. U.S. tariff partly address concern about intellectual property theft, technology transfer equipment, and insurance protection for American innovation in China. Trade deficit reduction. Number 1. Current trade imbalance analysis. Detailed assessment of the U.S.-China trade deficit highlighting key sector and product contribution to the imbalance and historical trends. Number 2, tariff policy justification, explain how strategic tariff aim to level the playing field, address unfair practice, and recruit the deficit with China. Alternative deficit reduction strategies, exploitation of the complementary approach in recurring export promotion, market access negotiation, and addressing non-tariff barriers to balance trade. And to intellectual property protection. Proposed collaboration framework outlining potential joint to interface for improving GP protection standard that could lead to tariff reduction and mutually benefit trade relation. Tariff trade requirement, explaining how tariffs serve protection explaining how tariffs serve as measure until adequate IP protection mechanism are implemented by Chinese business and government. US IP protection concurs, highlighting a document case of intellectual property theft affecting American business and the economic impact on innovation and competitiveness. Number 2, economic impact assessment. U.S. manufacturing rival. Number 1, strategy traffic policy benefit. Tariff have canalized manufacturing, resulting create American jobs and reducing dependence on foreign supply chains, particularly from China. Number 2, investing in American industry. Protect trade measures have stimulated domestic capital investment, moderating manufacturing facility, and enhancing global competitiveness. Economy security concessions tariff protect critical industry technology leadership while addressing unfair trade practice affecting American business. Global supply chains disrupt. Impact on global trade. Tariff wars between the US and China have severely disrupted global supply chains, forcing companies to reconsider sourcing strategies and manufacturing location. Alternative sourcing strategies companies are defining supplies beyond China, exploring Vietnam, Mexico, and India to mitigate risks from ongoing trade tension. Economic squeeze, high product costs, and record profit margin affect both American consumers and Chinese manufacturers, create economic uncertainty in global market. Consumer price inflation. Number one, tariff impact on price. Number two, price conversion analysis. Number three, alternative supply costs. Number one, high tariffs on Chinese imports typically increased costs for US customers, affecting everyday product from electronic to clothing. Data US consumer pay 10 between 10 and 12 25% more for tariff goods compared to pre-tariff price, creating financial burden on households. And number three, shifting to not Chinese suppliers often result in a high production cost and price inches as alternative manufacturers change premium rates. Negotiation path forward. Bilateral trade agreement framework. Tariff number one, Tariff Regulation Road Act. Number two, intellectual property protection. And number three, market access provision. Price approaching to a recording mineral traffic over a 5-year period with a significant benchmark for property sector and regular progress review. Interact mechanism for safeguarding intellectual property rights include enforcement protocols, technology transfer, guidelines, and dispute resolution progress. Number three is repression commitment to open market, eliminate tariff barriers, and establish fair competition standard for a business from both nations. Best tariff regulation plan. Intellectual tariff period. And number two, great regulation timeline. And number three is reciprocal measure framework. Compressing evaluation of record tariff on Chinese import in different sectors for potential recording based on economic impact and bilateral trade balance. Strategy 3 years cycle for intermediate tariff. This says contingents on mutual compliance and ensure progress in addressing trade concerns. Recept number 3 is school approaching the requiring proportional tariff discussion from China, establishing verification mechanism to ensure compliance with agreed trade terms. The scope relation mechanism. Number one, formal mechanism to WTO, allowing countries to refer trade disputes through conciliation panel review and binding discussion according to international trade agreement. Number two, direct diplomatic engagement between US and Chinese officials to address tariff conquers, stability dialogue frameworks, and reach mutuality benefit compromise. Sector number three, sector-based solution approaching with the industry proportions representative from both countries collab to develop target the solution to particular product the categories affected by tariff. Okay, maybe that's all for today. And sorry if I have a bad accent. And see you guys around. See ya.